Crash Course, Ecuador. Home to the Galapagos Islands, the Amazon Rainforest, and the Andes Mountains. Welcome to Ecuador, a country blessed with incredible natural beauty and diverse landscapes. From the famous Galapagos Islands to the lush Amazon Rainforest and the majestic Andes Mountains, Ecuador offers a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. In this crash course, we will explore the wonders of Ecuador, share exciting stories and examples, and highlight the top 12 attractions that make this country a must-visit destination. Story 1. The enigmatic Galapagos Islands. Imagine stepping onto the shores of the Galapagos Islands, a place that inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. These isolated islands are a living laboratory, where unique wildlife has evolved over millions of years, unaffected by human presence. From the iconic giant tortoises to the playful sea lions and the vibrant bird species like blue-footed boobies and waved albatrosses, the Galapagos Islands offer a once-in-a-lifetime experience of close encounters with nature. Story 2. Exploring the Amazon Rainforest. Venture into the heart of the Amazon Rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Ecuador is home to a portion of this vast tropical rainforest, teeming with wildlife, exotic plants, and indigenous communities. Immerse yourself in the lush greenery, listen to the symphony of birds and insects, and discover the secrets of the jungle with knowledgeable local guides. Top 12 attractions in Ecuador. 1. Quito. The historic center of Quito is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasting colonial architecture and rich cultural heritage. 2. Cotopaxi National Park, home to the Cotopaxi volcano. This park offers stunning landscapes and opportunities for hiking and mountain climbing. 3. Baños. Known as the adventure capital of Ecuador, Baños offers activities such as whitewater rafting, canyoning, and biking. 4. Mindo Cloud Forest. Explore the misty cloud forest, home to a myriad of bird species, butterflies, and lush vegetation. 5. Otavalo Market. Discover the vibrant indigenous market in Otavalo, famous for its textiles, crafts, and local traditions. 6. Cuenca. This colonial city is renowned for its charming architecture, cobblestone streets, and vibrant cultural scene. 7. Galapagos Islands. Explore the pristine islands that inspired Darwin, with opportunities for wildlife encounters, snorkeling, and diving. 8. Ingapurca. Visit the Inca ruins of Ingapurca, the largest archaeological site in Ecuador, showcasing the country's ancient history. 9. Quilatoa Crater Lake. Admire the mesmerizing turquoise waters of Quilatoa, a volcanic crater lake located in the Andes. 10. Yasuni National Park. Delve into the biodiverse Yasuni National Park, part of the Amazon Rainforest and a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. 11. Montañita. Experience the vibrant beach town of Montañita, known for its surfing waves, lively nightlife, and bohemian atmosphere. 12. Vilcabamba. Visit the Valley of Longevity, where the locals are known for their longevity and healthy lifestyle. Summarizing Ecuador's attractions. Ecuador is a land of wonders, offering a diverse array of attractions for travelers. From the enchanting Galapagos Islands to the mystic Amazon Rainforest and the breathtaking Andes Mountains, this country captivates with its natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you seek adventure, wildlife encounters, or cultural immersion, Ecuador promises unforgettable experiences that will leave you in awe of its treasures. Poem. In Ecuador's embrace, nature unfolds. From Galapagos Islands to mountains untold, the Amazon's secrets, the rainforest's call, Ecuador's allure, captivating all. Among the enchanting, the Galapagos lies, a haven of wildlife, where evolution defies. Giant tortoises roam, and sea lions play. Blue-footed boobies dance, in their unique way. The Amazon's whispers, a symphony of sound. Exploring its depths, wonders are found. With vibrant birds and exotic plants, the jungle embraces, enchanting our stance. Quito's historic center, a UNESCO delight. Colonial treasures, a mesmerizing sight. Cotopaxi's peak, an adventure awaits. Scaling its heights, conquering the gates. Baños, a thrill-seeker's haven so bright. Cascading waters, adrenaline's flight. And Otavalo's market, a burst of tradition. Textiles and crafts, a vibrant exhibition. Cuenca's charm, with its cobblestone streets. Culture and heritage, where old meets. Galapagos Islands, Darwin's inspiration. Nature's sanctuary, a stunning revelation. Engapurka's ruins, remnants of the past. Inca heritage, a legacy that will last. Quilatoa's allure, a crater lake so grand. Turquoise waters, nature's hidden hand. Yasuni's embrace, the Amazon's crown. Biodiversity thrives, in its renowned gown. Montañita's beaches, a surfer's delight. Sun, sand, and waves, day turning to night. Vilcabamba's valley, where longevity thrives. Living in harmony, where wellness arrives. These are Ecuador's treasures, for all to explore. A land of enchantment, forever we adore. Song. Verse 1. In Ecuador's embrace, a world unfolds. From Galapagos Islands to mountains gold. The Amazon's whispers, the rainforest's call. Ecuador's wonders, we cherish them all. Chorus. Ecuador, a land of nature's grace. Galapagos marvels, in every place. From the Andes peaks to the Amazon's roar. Adventure and beauty, forevermore. Verse 2. Quito's historic heart, a cultural delight. Cotopaxi's majesty, reaching great heights. Baño's thrill, adrenaline's rush. Otavalo's market, traditions we crush. Chorus. Ecuador, a land of nature's grace. Galapagos marvels, in every place. From the Andes peaks to the Amazon's roar. Adventure and beauty, forevermore. Bridge. Cuenca's charm, a colonial dream. Engapurka's secrets, history's gleam. Quilatoa's waters, serene and clear. Yasuni's treasures, the Amazon near. Chorus. Ecuador, a land of nature's grace. Galapagos marvels, in every place. From the Andes peaks to the Amazon's roar. Adventure and beauty, forevermore. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.